Hello everyone, Dr. Piyush Juneja, Professor Digital Marketing, IBS Gurgaon. So today's session is regarding digital marketing strategy, and the strategy always is very dynamic in digital marketing. So as we are discussing in 2020, so that's why the strategy is 2020, and we need to understand there are several changes, and accordingly we need to implement in our strategy. So it can't be static; it will be a very dynamic strategy as far as digital marketing is concerned. Let's quickly see the various aspects of strategy. And as we are seeing that social media is rising now, and web, mobile apps, mobile web, email, direct mail, and then television, print, and radio. You can see the percentage graph here, and it's like from a survey 2 3 years back. So it's increasing now, and day by day it will be going more and more. And as due to the last few weeks situations, digital marketing is the mode of marketing in 2020. US spent so many $1 billion on digital marketing. 2018 data we are seeing, then in projections are there for 2020. Yes, we are aware that economies are down entire globe. Still, the digital marketing will pick up, and we will have revenues. Companies will be pumping in as far as digital marketing is concerned. So now let's focus on various strategical aspects of digital marketing, which first and foremost I want to discuss is voice search. What's going on is days are now gone when maximum people were doing text search. Now there are more and more voice searches going on, be it on phone, be it in your home, in your car, whatever. So the people are now more inclined towards voice search. They're just telling, or they're just saying their requirement to the device, for example mobile phone or a home speaker, or when they are in the car, so it can be a CarPlay system. So they're just saying their requirement verbally, and in return they are getting the results. The entire process is known as voice search. So they are doing search from their voice, and more and more people are changing. So you can see one example, like somebody is looking for a chicken, so generally they write that the best chicken of New Delhi. But if he will say where to eat delicious chicken, so you are seeing the phrase is entirely changed. The phrase has entirely changed. I want to convey and I want to focus you, and this is the reason the entire keyword strategies are changing. So you can see clearly the difference in terms of the keyword written in a form of a text and the keyword verbally. uh, a particular client, or I can say customer, is asking and getting the results is entirely different. So that is the aspect which we need to understand, and accordingly we need to optimize the keywords on both fronts, text as well as voice. Then the second aspect is online maps. So all the businesses should have online maps in terms of their exact location. People need to reach to them, people need to locate them. There is a credibility factor if you have a real authentic address in terms of your business is concerned. So the entire world is moving from Google Maps. So you should have updated online Google Map, because GPS is there in all the smartphones, and people will be able to map and reach you exactly if you have a good Google Map uh, optimized location. Third aspect is chatbots. So chatbots is basically whenever somebody is visiting a website, and maybe you have visited so many websites, so you are seeing there is a chat on the right side, and you are communicating, and you are doing that communication either through artificial intelligence. There is an automated chatbot is available, or the other person is also sitting there maybe on the other end, and they are answering their query. So both ways we can manage, depends on your budget, resource availability and all. So all the developers and designers are trying to make it as simple as possible. So continuously we are getting new questions, and it's a very challenging that a person is physically present to answer. So through artificial intelligence, people are trying to have automated chatbots in terms of answering the FAQs, answering the frequent asked questions, and helping them to resolve the complaint. See, the fundamental is consumer or client or the potential, I can say, customer is not having patience. You need to understand, or the existing sometimes as well. They don't have patience. And these chatbots and these automatic solutions, in terms of replying to their communication, replying to their concerns, sometimes to their complaints, address that issue at a first point, and at least they are satisfied that they have been addressed. So that is the human nature, and we need to understand that human nature, and accordingly we need to infuse digital marketing strategy, so that we are able to address that concern or complaint, if any, at right moment, at right time, as soon as possible, so that the people who are connected to our businesses are satisfied, and they will uh, retain we will retain them. Then videos are the next important aspect, and these days, be it YouTube, be it Facebook native video, any other social media and all, videos are very significant, having maximum shelf life, maximum adherence. See, in digital marketing the shelf life is very very low. As I said, people don't have patience. They just pick their smartphone. At a time they can open so many apps, they can scroll, they are doing multitasking, WhatsApp is going on, SMS is going on, calls are coming up, so everything is going on. So people don't have time, and they generally don't have that much of patience. However, videos are able to generate focus. It can be a short video with a 1 minute 2 minute span, but at least for 1 minute to 2 minutes people are stuck, and people are seeing your video. So in any form you can position your brand or service or product. So that is very very important to focus, to attain attention of the all the audience, is very very important. And videos again is a very good tool. Like all of you are seeing this video right now on YouTube, so you are able to pick up the fundamentals easily. Suppose if this has been done in a form of a maybe only presentation, or you are not able to see the video, so in video you are able to understand, and I am also able to convey you more. Plus there is a factor of dynamic aspect as well. So that's why videos are hit, and as you can see that data. So these percentages are there, and so many organizations are selling, using them as marketing tool. Content is the focus. So all these aspects are going on, and YouTube is the leader. If you see, as far as the video sharing platforms are concerned, YouTube is the leader, we all know. So we need to focus on YouTube strategy specifically. In terms of digital marketing strategy, we need to focus on YouTube. We need to focus on creating a YouTube channel to grow the subscribers, to post regular videos, to increase the views of videos. All these aspects are there as far as YouTube is concerned, and you can have a detailed understanding in the YouTube session as well. So all these are the aspects in which you can see that YouTube channel should be there. And then we also need to understand that it achieves success faster, and so we have to accordingly optimize the channel as well. So all these are the social media platforms. And in the next strategy point, I can say social media is very very important. So social media should be focused, and Facebook, as you can see, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn are the giants. Then Pinterest, YouTube, and Google Plus, and all these are also there. But Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and Instagram, I would like to add here Instagram, TikTok, and all. So these are the giants, and these are the leaders in terms of social media is concerned. As I said in my another session also, TikTok has passed Facebook, and it is one of the most downloaded app now. So we can't ignore all these social medias, because again People are stuck to them. People are spending time on social media, and whenever, wherever our potential customer or client or a potential lead, I can say, spending time, we should focus on that particular aspect, that particular platform, to capture them and to take more and more advantage. So social networks are definitely in terms of strategy. They immediately turn to the numbers because people are spending time there, so they can quickly see and purchase if anything they like. In terms of service or product is concerned, more than half of billion users are there on Facebook, and more than that are now on TikTok. So all these are data. There are 55 billion are on WhatsApp. WhatsApp again is a very important tool and very important way of communication these days, and we always should ensure that WhatsApp is there in our digital marketing strategy, for sure. Then Facebook ads we can have in terms of uh, marketing strategies concerned. We should always focus on Facebook ad. Definitely, it's a very very important tool, and we need to understand that all people can interact. Organizations can interact with their target audience. They can show them the catalog, their feel, look and feel of the products, and accordingly through these ads they can get involved with their potential clients and customer. Then WhatsApp is also a very unexploited aspect, I can say. However, it is possible we can do advertising on WhatsApp in terms of business WhatsApp app is concerned. So we can always look forward, as I said, to all those apps, to all those platforms, to all those aspects in which a person is involved, and we can show them our brand, service, or product, so that each and every time there is a brand recall, and ultimately it will convert and lead into the sale of business to the company. So, as I said, key areas are advertising on smart speakers, optimizing the voice search. Voice search and text search are having different set of keywords. I again repeat. So please optimize the voice search, and chatbots should be there. And yes, content is the key. Content marketing is the key. Content can be in terms of video, audio, text, whatever. Content is the key. If you have good content, if you have interesting content in which the people will be glued to you, glued to your video, they stuck and they remain with you till the end, that will ensure that you are a successful digital marketing person, and you are ensuring that your company product and services are getting success in terms of digital marketing. So we all need to focus on content, and yes, chatbots, as I said, one aspect I need to mention in chatbots. So see, what happens is these days there are so many options available that you can also infuse your Facebook Messenger to the chatbot on the site. So whenever a person will be doing message on that chatbot, you will be receiving on your Facebook Messenger. So for a startup kind of thing, when you have lack of resources and few people are managing many aspects, so this is a good idea in that sense initially. And in Facebook same. WhatsApp is also now owned by Facebook, if you are aware. So WhatsApp is also being infused in Facebook pages and all these kind of stuffs. So all these are ensuring that we are getting regular communication with the patient, with the potential customer, client, and in that scenario, these aspects are very very important, and we need to strategize, and we need to ensure that we are reaching exactly to our target audience, and not only reaching, engaging with them, uh, establishing a communication channel and a communication aspect with them, and finally ultimately leading to the business in the form of a product or service. So thank you so much. These are the key strategies I can say as far as 2020 is concerned. So take care, and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.